I'm standing here in MacArthur Park, one of the many parks in the City of La Mesa, because we're adding more EV stations. Our city is now 110 years old this month, but we're trying to build capacity for the future. As people begin to start buying electric vehicles, we want to make sure that we have the capacity in the city to be able to allow them to charge them. And we're picking community spaces. For instance, a park. Maybe you bring your dog for a walk, and while you're walking your dog, you can charge your vehicle. But it's somewhere that's centrally located that all people can find. It's part of our climate action plan, and we need to start doing this now, because as the technology gets better and people do start transitioning, we need to have the stations to be able to accommodate them.
My favorite part of working on the Climate Action Plan is doing projects just like this, where we are able to install electric vehicle charging stations and encourage residents to drive electric vehicles, so that way we can see long-lasting positive impacts, where at the end of the day, driving an electric vehicle will reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emissions and reduce our impacts of global climate change.
Well, as Vice Mayor of La Mesa, I know that climate change poses a huge challenge to all of us. It is important that we move on it as best we can. This does it. This tells people that this is our priority, and we're going to put it in these public spaces so it's convenient for you to make that conversion.
At San Diego Gas and Electric, we want to partner with our community to help combat climate change. Some people might not know, but 50% of the greenhouse gases that are emitted in San Diego comes from transportation. We know we can't do it alone. That's why it's so important to work with our communities to help them find their clean energy future that works for them.